rough. 185, you take care. 122 back out. Bye-bye.
Zero, your shotgun back out.
But maybe you guys have one hand up there. 500 in South Carolina, while you're trying to figure out who's calling your name. 500, Boston Radio on a Sunday afternoon, got down and gone again. Okay.
Hey, who's that there in Kentucky waving at me? I think you said porcupine or something like that in Kentucky. I don't know if I got it right, man, but it got real rough, man. 010 still up in there with me, man. But good evening time to you, shotgun right back.
Radio's going to bed, so I'm going to pull it back and try to go quiet. 500, South Carolina, Boston Radio. On his corner, I'm moving on.
Okay, pocket knife in the bluegrass. I think I got it right that time. Oh, it's real rough, man. Let me get right up inside. Just want to say hello. Hey, you still got that video get rolling, man. I appreciate it, man. It was always good listening to you, man. Man, what a gold microphone. Let me get on out of here. Yo, shotgun, Massachusetts. I'm gonna stay wild till I put my bullet slippers on, put them up on the workbench, and listen to the skip rolling. Me and this small white station for Illinois. I hear you on Rhode Island. 5-2.
Hey, shotgun, Massachusetts. Yeah, 445. Got it rolling. I'm just sitting back here reading the mail. Shotgun, Massachusetts. You got it going on up there in the northeast corner. 445 down here, Mississippi. Reading the mail. I heard that Rhode Island radio up there. All the way down here in Mississippi, I heard that Rhode Island radio, 445. Got down.
Boston. So you can be real confident. I feel good about your job. Radio 117 Boston. So the rolling all night long. 500 Boston Radio is quiet now. Bob.
Hey, pocket knife. Hey, pocket knife. My sweet thing gonna hit me upside the head with a rolling pin if I keep keying this microphone. She trying to watch a soap opera. Hey, pocket knife. Yo, shotgun back out.
Mr. Booth, 976, South Shore, Massachusetts, we're breaking in, break.
Hello, my neighbor, Boogie Last shotgun.
Hey, little squirt, you're making some noise.
I wish you a happy belated Turkey Day. Super fine holidays come up. God bless you and yours up that way in Michigan, man. You're one, Mr. Moose, 976.
Out away my hand.
Get your mind on that mother. Hello, 500. Your toll collector, Connecticut. Break. You're 419. Cruising the Gulf.
A little squirt.
Toll collector. Hello, 500. Your toll collector, Connecticut. Come on, Rhode Island. Watching it snow.
I'm just trying to move out the way of somebody. I'm moving out the way, clearing out the way of somebody. Look the way about it. Little squirt.
Hey, 500. What is that 419? Sit down for a little while. He can tell his tolls. Hey, 500. Your friend right here in Connecticut. Cruising the studio equipment today there. Breaker.
Today's weather we got out here, we are getting some snow, brother.
Hey, 500, 120, 120, and
It's almost game time up here on the northeast corner, but I just want to bump it down and wait my 4-1. So using my radio, you're 1320 Rhode Island, leaving that 4-1.
Northeast corner, no doubt. Hey,
All fired up, gas,
hey, 500, 120.
nothing like being from there. Yeah, where'd you go?
Hello, 163, shotgun, back out.
Hey, 500, 120. Hey, 500, 120, break, break.
Hello, check.
Hey, 163, I heard you in there, big brother, man. I just thought I'd bump this thing down one more time and say hello, how to do the around the line. Mr. 163, your shotgun, back out.
Hey, you're 120, it's outside of Connecticut, break.
Hello, 303, Tennessee, I got a copy on you. Good evening time to you, your shotgun, right back.
Hey, 500, well, I'm gonna say it once, man. Hey, 500, let's say it once. We try to talk.
Good Christmas to you. You take care. Hey, Kentucky, I did get a copy on you. Good evening time to you, shotgun, right back. Come on. And I appreciate them flowers, man. Take them all for yourself. They sound real good. I just keep one on, no doubt. Gun in the corner with this holiday wave. I'm back out.
All right, dear Rex Caliber. Happy holidays, and hope you had a good turkey day right down here. And if I don't hear you up in there, Merry Christmas, Ronnie.
Hey, 500, you know I get him with my audio, man. Hey, 500.
See, Tennessee won't be able to get my 20 because it's rough and tough, man. I'm just trying to see what I can get up in here in this radio room. It's real rough. Your shotgun, Massachusetts, 100 miles west of Boston. Me and this undermodulated station got up.
My call still going? Hello, check.